The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, southwestern Delaware County, northeastern Madison County, southeastern Union County, Ohio, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dublin, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, Worthington, Powell, Plain City, New California, Shawnee Hills, Riverly, Amity, U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42, Clintonville and Columbus Zoo. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 113 and 117.